Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I wanted to have some fun today, and this is the look I came up with. I bought some new eyeshadows from Odens Eye. I think that's how you pronounce their name. It's an indie brand, and I had so much fun creating this look. I mean, there's no way you could tell me this isn't gorgeous. Full list of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. My face is freshly washed and moisturized, and today's look is going to be bright. Not sure yet what look I'm going to come up with, but knowing me, I'll figure out something as I go. So my palette I'm going to be using today is the Humming Bird palette. It's a collab with the Fancy Face, that's her on the box, and it's Odens Eye Cosmetics. And these colors are so bright, so vivid, so beautiful, so Caribbean, so me. There's no way I could have ignored this palette. I saw it and I'm like, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta create something beautiful with it. And it came with this beautiful scarf with Tina on it. How beautiful is the scarf? I mean, seriously, look at the colors. It's so bright, it's so vivid. It's beautiful. This is such a beautiful collab. I cannot wait to start playing with these colors. So without further ado, let's jump into the makeup and see what I create with this beautiful Hummingbird palette.
spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Company. How you still a 10 but the one for me? You get off a 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just tryna build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah, yeah. Know I got you back, yeah, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just tryna chill. I'm just tryna live with my day one, day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Yeah. Na 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 na. She crazy, I like it. Get under my skin, baby. Let me take you